Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 153, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, O you who believe, Ista'inu bis-sabri was-salah, seek help from patience and salah. Inna Allaha ma'as-sabirin, indeed Allah Almighty is with those who are patient. Patience, it is from amongst the greatest of bounties that Allah Almighty has bestowed upon His people. If it were not from the greatest of bounties, He would not Himself command in the Holy Quran to seek help from patience. For this reason, in another verse of the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Imran, verse number 146, Allah Almighty says, Wallahu yuhibbus sabirin, that Allah Almighty loves those who are patient. What is patience? My brothers and sisters, we need not to go any further than the month of Ramadan, in which we fast. And Allah Almighty tests our patience. How does He test us? He tests us how patient we are when we feel hunger, how patient we are when we feel thirst, how patient we are when our inner self is controlled, when we are stopped from everything which is halal upon us. Allah Almighty has bestowed His favors upon all those people who were patient, the likes of Hazrat Imam Hussein radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Then why do we not hold on to patience throughout the year? Not only throughout the year, but throughout your lifetime. If we hold on to patience, then Allah Almighty will bestow upon us His favors. Joyce Meyers, I end on her quote. She says, patience is not the ability to wait. Rather, it is the ability to have good attitude whilst waiting. My brothers and sisters, hold on to patience, and Allah Almighty will bestow upon you His favors, His rewards, His bounties. Wa akhiru da'waya anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.